Hello everybody, this is JTSUNBOXINGSUK here, and today I'm going to be unboxing this RoboVac XD robot vacuum cleaner.
For lazy shysters?
Yeah, like us. Basically, we're not on the tripod today because the battery ran out when I did the UPS video, which is probably going to be next, but I'm not going to do it right now. Luckily, I won't need the knife this time. Or maybe I will. It's not funny. It's not a comedy.
It is.
It's not a comedy.
It is.
It's not.
It is.
A comedy.
It is a comedy, to me at least.
No, I can't. Oh, that was a big bee outside. Right. Let's get you. I'll tell you what, for lazy people, we need a robot to take robot vacuums out. Oh, it comes this nice foam stuff that's all over the flat anyway. This is how much boxes we've got, by the way.
Another one in the land. Another one in the makeshift landfill.
Anyway, back to me.
Bloody Nora.
Oh yeah, basically. Not very professional, I do apologise about the unboxing myself. Anyway, we lift off the... wrong way. Put it the right way. No, we don't have problems. Anyway, we lift up the box and already the remote has come out. This is the directional thing, so you can direction the robot. Very nice.
Very nice. Very pristine and stylish.
Doesn't come with batteries, I don't think so.
Batteries not included.
Yeah, again, it's an all robots. Not God, this is huge. But we'll get to that in a minute. This is the charging station, so it can stop at night and I don't know, have drugs or something. And this is the power connector. Let me just take it out, like so. I'm in the UK obviously, so I've got the UK plug. And this is the charging post where it
where it stops off and abuses electricity, like in Futurama.
Yeah. An empty space there, like P.S. Morgan. Now, oh right, this is one of the wall things that you put so the robot will stop bumping into whatever.
It looks like a bell.
Yeah, it looks like a bell. You need to put your own batteries in though.
Ding dong dong dong.
But do you know what? I don't think we'll be ever using it. Hopefully. Oh, here's a bracket here with a brush on it. And that's its spindle blades. No, brushes.
Bristles, you mean? In the landfill.
You may say that's terrible, but we are getting it done today. And here is the beastie. That will probably cause world domination with the New World Order. And here it is. It's bigger than I thought it would be. Absolutely.
That is bigger than I thought it would be. I thought it'd be bloody dinky when you ordered it.
Yeah, dinky.
I thought it'd be dinky myself, but hold on, let me get a close up of it.
As you can see, we get the brushes as well.
Yes.
Let's turn it on. Oh, that's the bin release. Ah. Note to self: don't press things unless you know. I've got to figure out how it turns on. Come on, wake up. Oh, it's called the lazy robot, is it?
Maybe it's not charged.
That's maybe the problem. Or maybe it doesn't detect the surface. I love that every time. Must be a power thing on the side. Oh, here it is, a power look. Hey, we're on.
Hey.
It's like a big pizza, this. As you can see, it's a touch screen. It's cleaning
The worktop.
something.
It's going mad and going around in circles. Shut it off.
Don't worry, we let it have a pew. There we go, can't go nowhere now. And that is... Okay then, let's plug it in. Oh, excuse me. Alright, let's plug it in the wall. As you can see, we've got a kitchen outlet.
Like every other kitchen.
This is turning into a funny unboxing, I'll tell you that. First time we've had failure. Plug it in to the wall. Ow.
Just banged his head on the thing.
Shut up.
Oh, come on, lighten it up.
Alright then, I will lighten it up. I'll put a light on, how about that?
Very funny.
Where the hell's the plug on this thing? This is probably what happened to all the robots. Yeah, I think you lift that off like that. Ah! It's right there, look. Hey. And there it is, charging. I'm now scared of it.
You should be. It's going to dominate the world someday.
It will dominate the world someday. But somehow I don't think it will. Because somehow in the world we live in, you'll probably go, oh, it needs a poo. Anyway. Right, you can do times on it by the looks of it and set the time. I could do a little brush cycle. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. Stop it. Sounds like me after a curry. Obviously this is the remote here where you can control it, obviously. I might do a review of this, I might put it below. Oh, and I can also press the charging button to let it charge.
Yeah.
Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Also, thank you very much to the 98 Man for helping me out today.
No problem.